Analyze Stacks is sales software for a specific operational decision, profiles and categorizes the complete technology stack of target accounts to understand their current infrastructure. This video explains what the tool does, why the workflow matters, and how the output becomes useful decision evidence. At quarantadue.ai, every MCP workflow starts from the real tool interface, not from a generic prompt. The goal is simple. Keep the expert in control while the system structures the evidence. Inputs, reasoning, and outputs stay connected in one reviewable flow. Now the results become easier to compare, easier to review, and easier to explain. The problem is that sales teams often manage this workflow with scattered inputs, inconsistent review rules, and manual interpretation. Analyze Stacks narrows that process into a repeatable model so teams can compare cases without rebuilding the logic each time. Analyze Stacks starts with a defined input contract. Typical inputs include core technologies count, legacy ratio, cloud adoption, container usage, and integration count. Keeping these fields explicit reduces ambiguity and makes every run easier to audit. The workflow then applies Calculate Technical Modernity Score by weighting the inverse of legacy ratio, cloud adoption percentage, container usage percentage, and security tier factor. Calculate Stack Complexity Index based on the logarithm of core technology count, linear scaling of integration count, and penalty for support model. Assess migration ease category by evaluating modernity score, complexity index, and cloud adoption percentage, and estimate support overhead multiplier based on core technology count, legacy ratio, and support model. This keeps the process deterministic, reviewable, and aligned with how sales teams actually make decisions. Analyze Stacks returns structured outputs such as technical modernity score, stack complexity index, migration ease, support overhead factor, and modernity assessment. These outputs are designed to support review, reporting, comparison, and follow-up actions. The value of Analyze Stacks is not just automation. It is a controlled way to turn repeated sales work into a documented business process with clear inputs, transparent logic, and reusable outputs.